Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your birth date on TikTok. So it's pretty simple. For this you want to go on profile at the bottom of your screen and then click on the 3 line at the top right. From over here you want to click on settings and privacy. From inside here, scroll all the way down until you see report to problem and click on it. From inside report to problem, you need to select account. So over here, click on account and profile. Now from inside account, you want to choose editing profile. From inside editing profile, scroll a bit down, click on other. Once you click on other over here, it's going to take you over here. Now from over here, what you can do is click on no. Once you click on no, click on need more help. From inside need more help, what you need to do is describe your problem now. Over here, write this. I want to change my age on TikTok because I entered the incorrect date. Can you help me fix it? Once you write that, you can click on submit at the bottom. Once you click on submit, the problem will be submitted and TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix the problem. That is how you guys can change your birth date on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. And if you're confused where TikTok is going to contact you, they're basically going to send you a notification in inbox. So keep checking your inbox for their reply, okay? That's it. Bye-bye.